What's up, guys? Okay, today's video is going to be a little bit different. It's about a 2013 Nissan Sentra. Okay, if you're getting this code, it's a P0456, which is the evaporative emission system leak detected, and it says a small leak. Okay, now I brought it to the dealer about 3 times. I bought it once, they said, oh, change the gas cap, blah blah blah. I replaced the gas cap twice, because it keeps popping up on the dash. What is it? Check engine light keeps coming up, right? And checking it through the computer. That's what I'm getting, the P0456. So I changed the gas cap twice. It's not that. And when I brought it to the dealer, I was like, oh, I changed the gas cap. They was like, oh, it's probably the gas cap. No. I brought it to the dealer, whatever. They couldn't find anything. They reset the computer on the car, and they told me, oh, they did a master reset. And I was like, all right, whatever. This is going to come back. Next day, popped up again. Check engine light, same thing. P0456 came back up again. I brought it back. And then they said, okay, they're gonna the master technician or whatever, the high-level technician is gonna look at the car. He's gonna do it. And I was like, good. I hope he finds it. He did a smoke test or whatever. Couldn't find anything. He said it was smoking a little bit, so he changed a gasket, which I didn't think that was the issue. Whatever. He charged me $250 for that. That wasn't the problem. Boom, came back again. Same thing. P0. Cause at that time the car was about, I would say, I think the car was about 4 years or whatever. But the light actually started on the 3rd year. It was still under warranty, blah blah blah, whatever. And they told me, oh, it's under warranty and this and that. But I ended up paying $250. Let's just go with that because I didn't want to get to all the details for nothing. I paid $250 for nothing. He's changed supposedly an O-ring, So the O-ring, that had nothing to do with it. I doubted it. Like I said, the next day I took it out of the dealer. Within the next day, it came back again, the PO. So I ended up taking it to another Nissan dealer to check it out. Pretty much the same thing. Reset the computer, blah blah blah. Sent me on my way. Charged me for whatever other work that they did, like change brake fluid. They got me on that, but I changed it, whatever. Same thing again. Popped up again. Boom. P0456 again. So, I gave up with that. I was like, I'm going to figure it out some way or another, So I kind of was looking into how the evap system works on that car and what it contains, components. So what happened was, I ended up finding a video on YouTube. And the videos, the guy's video, he's a mechanic. Someone had brought the car to him, and he found what is after several hours. He found the problem, and boom, that is the problem on this car. So if you have that problem, I'm gonna tell you right now. If you have that P0456 evaporative system leak detected, very small leak, I'm gonna show you what it is. Okay, all right, I'm gonna show you. The problem is this. Okay, you see this? This is it sitting in the gas tank. This is the gas pump, okay? And it has this connector up here, okay? This is the very top of the gas pump itself. This is the whole thing, the whole gas pump, which sits behind the passenger seat, and it's submerged inside the seat, the gas tank. Okay, so you see this connector here, all the way on the left hand side of the connector, this shorts out. There's a short there, it causes a short there, and it becomes a little tiny hole there. You can see a burn spot there. This is actually the new one. I'm just showing you what's happening. That's what's happening in the car. It's shorting out all the way on. I don't know what's causing it to short out, but it's a short there. You'll see a burn mark there. I'll try to put a picture up. You know what? I'm gonna go to the car and I'm gonna show you I'm gonna bring my hammer because still didn't do the job. I gotta put that new one in. So I'm gonna show you. Give me a sec. Okay, so this is what the Sentra looks like. It looks like that, you know. Nissan Sentra. You know, we bought this car brand new from the dealer, and back in 2013. So, okay, I pulled the seat out. You know, you just got to pull it really hard from here. I'm just going to show you that I pulled it out from here, and that it has two clips there, one there, and you just kind of yank it up. And then it's got this cover here. This is where the location of where that gas pump is. Okay, so it's got this cover, and you got these 3 plastic like the retainers or whatever, so you have to turn them a little bit until they face the right direction. You open this up, and then down here you'll see the whole entire fuel pump mechanism. Okay, there's the connector over here. Okay, but as you can see there, you can kind of see a little bit brown burnt right there on that side, but you can't see it that well. I can't put the camera back here, but it's all the way on the right side. If you look inside, you'll see a burnt mark. I mean, I'll include a picture, but I'm gonna pop this. I'm gonna try to get this out here, and then I'll try to put it on video. So pretty much that's the issue. That's what's going on. It's causing a little leak. You can smell a little gas here too. I don't think you're supposed to smell any gas, but that's what the problem is. I gotta get this out of here, you know. So I'm gonna try to do that now. So in order for me to get this out, I have to turn this counterclockwise, but I don't have the tool for that, because they have the tool for that. And also what I'm going to use is a chisel and a hammer, and kind of like I already was banging it a little bit here, and I'm going to have it, and then I'm going to move it. I actually moved it a little bit, but I have to disconnect this. I almost forgot about that. That's the fuel thing. I need something a little right there, because it's probably going to spray some fuel there, and that's what I'm going to do. I got to disconnect this piece here. Okay. So I removed the locking ring. I had to bang on it with that chisel, and I also used a big screwdriver on the edge of it. You know, I had to bang on it like a savage beast. I had to use this screwdriver. Also, I would use the chisel and the hammer, and I banged it right like on the edge over here. See those little scratches there? So I could rotate it counterclockwise until it came out. So that's pretty much it. So I should be able to pop this out like that. I disconnected this already, and now I'm just gotta pull this bad boy out of here like this. It's gonna be a lot of fuel, stinking fuel. So I gotta pull this out of here, avoiding these cables and stuff. All right, I can't do this with one hand. Hold on. Okay, so I removed it. I'm going to show you the connector. You see that? You see that? Let me see if you can see it. I don't know if you can see it well. You see it there? You see that left-hand side? You can see that the whole thing is cracked there and burnt. You look under it too. You can look right under it. See that? That whole entire thing is burnt. Looks dangerous to me. You know, so that whole thing there, there's a crack right there. That's the problem. That's what's going on with these pumps. So if you're having this problem, you need to get this replaced, the fuel pump replaced, because that's the issue there. That's what's going on. If you're getting that code that comes and goes, you know, because the code, it comes and goes, you know. This is the old pump. I had to remove this leveler because the new one doesn't come with that leveler. So you just kind of pop it out of there, and you're going to swap it with this one over here. Just going to put it in there and like snap it in between there. So I got to do this with both hands. So like I said, that's the issue. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to need this clip here. I'm going to have to swap that clip there to put it over here also. So that's pretty much it, and that should be it. Just got to put it back. So I had to kind of snap it in with the needle nose plier carefully without it damaging that little thing there, you know, under it. So because I couldn't get it in with snapping it with my fingers. So that's pretty much it. Just got to put that retaining clip up there from the other one. And I'm gonna try to put it back in. The hardest part is to this is probably gonna be banging it back in. You know, that seal, the metal seal. I'm gonna bang it back, close it up. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it guys. So I'm gonna end the video right here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Peace out.